Calm Restore range was launched a few years ago and has been widely popular since then. I've used 3 products from this range and I think I can share some information with you that you'll definitely want to know before buying these products. Hi, this is 𝗣𝗍𝗂𝗰𝗁 and my quest is to integrate science with skincare and self-care. And today I'll share my experience with AVEENO Calm Restore products. So, let the quiz begin. Before I go into the individual product review based on my experience, first I want to discuss what's so special about this range. Because that's the question that always pops into my mind whenever a brand releases a new line. What's so special about it? Well, the star ingredient of this Calm Restore range is colloidal oatmeal. Colloidal oatmeal is a fantastic ingredient with many skin benefits. There have been enough research and clinical studies for the FDA to follow colloidal oatmeal in its monograph as a skin protectant and reliever of skin irritation and itching. In simple words, oatmeal is excellent for calming, restoring, or soothing the skin, just as implied by this Calm Restore range. All the products from this range use multiple forms of oatmeal along with some other great soothing ingredients. Let's first talk about the AVEENO Calm Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser, because cleansing is the first step in your skincare routine. This cleanser or face wash or whatever you feel like calling it from this line claims to gently remove dirt, impurities, and oil, leaving the skin feeling soothed, hydrated, and nourished. And from my experience of using it, it actually does what it claims. This cleanser is a non-soapy or non-foaming cleanser, which means that it doesn't create any foam or lather. This cleanser has oat kernel flour, which has hydrating and pH balancing properties. Additionally, ingredients like glycerin, panthenol, butylene glycol, and beeswax make a great combination to work as a super gentle cleanser. In fact, this cleanser is so gentle that I think it won't work well if you have incredible oily skin, you live in a populated or dusty area, or you want to clean your makeup with this cleanser. This won't be strong enough in these cases, and I wanted you to know that before buying this. I have dry skin, which gets even drier in winter, so I love the fact that it's so gentle on my skin. So according to my experience, I think this cleanser will work for you if you have dry skin, oily but dehydrated skin, over-exfoliated skin, irritated or sensitive skin, damaged skin barrier. Then this cleanser will work great for you. If you have super oily skin, use water-resistant sunscreen or makeup, then this cleanser will not work for you. Even if you use a cleansing balm as a part of your cleansing routine, if it's a heavier balm like the Increased Oat Cleansing Balm, if you use this cleanser to remove it, you'll notice residue. It's just that gentle. So make a smart decision considering these factors. Before I move on to the next product, I want to ask you some questions. Does your skin feel tight inside even after you apply moisturizer? Or does your skin tingles or burns after you apply any product? Then it might be a sign that your skin barrier is damaged. You've over-exfoliated your skin or your skin is dehydrated. In all these cases, a hydrating, soothing, and nourishing product like the AVEENO Calm Restore, a soothing oat toning lotion, can be a great choice. I sound like the lady from that advertisement, but I wanted to make a good intro for this product. This toner shares some common ingredients with the cleanser like oat kernel flour, glycerin, butylene glycol, but I love the formulation. I love the formulation of this one than the cleanser, and I'll definitely repurchase it. It's slightly dense but very lightweight. It absorbs first into the skin, leaves no tacky or sticky feeling, contains no fragrance, very nourishing and hydrating. If you have dry, dehydrated, irritated, sensitive, or rosacea-prone skin, then you'll definitely get some soothing, calming, and nourishing benefits from this toner. However, do keep in mind that it's very, very lightweight. And if you have very dry skin, then one layer might not be enough for you. I apply one layer in summer, like I used up this much in last summer, but I need to use at least twice in winter or switch to a heavier product. My skin is so thirsty, always, all the time. So it drink up everything that I put on my skin. Just as I said that I switched to a heavier product in winter, so I used this moisturizer in last summer, but I got rid of the jar. That's why I don't have the jar with me now and I can't show you the application of the product. But I might be repeating myself. It is also a perfect product for damaged or compromised skin barrier. It contains not only AVEENO sativa kernel flour but also AVEENO sativa kernel extract and many other hydrating, moisturizing and soothing ingredients. I haven't repurchased the moisturizer because when I came to the UK, my skin got extremely dehydrated. I needed a heavier product to get rid of the dehydration and everything, but it helped a lot. That moisturizer helped me a lot to get rid of my dehydration. In my opinion, this moisturizer is perfect for oilier combination skin throughout the year. Suitable for dry skin in summer, my skin would drink and suck up the moisturizer in 10 minutes. So I have to apply a heavier moisturizer like CeraVe moisturizing cream over that AVEENO moisturizing cream, gel cream. And I use everything, every possible hydrating ingredients to get rid of my dehydration. But this range helped me a lot and gave me a long-lasting hydration and moisturization. That's why I'm making this video. Oh, and it's perfect under makeup. As I say that it might be more suitable for oily skin people, but overall, it's a great range of products. This is a popular range from AVEENO, so let me know if you used any of their products and your experience in the comment section below. And if this video was helpful to you, let me know that as well. And see you in the next video. Bye!